Pro-36 battery is a lightweight and powerful cordless drilling machine. It is ideal for use in areas with limited mains access. Battery powered for maximum working freedom. Milling capacity up to 36 mm. 1.44 inches. Depth of cut up to 50 mm. 2 inches. Drilling capacity up to 12 mm. 0.47 inches. LED interface generates signals in green and red colors to indicate current condition of the drill and gives safety information. Solid green indicates the strong adhesion. Drill is ready to operate. LED interface flashes green when inadequate adhesion is detected. Red flashes inform that emergency stop occurred due to overload or clamping loss. Solid red indicates flat battery needs to be replaced. Increased runtime with the most powerful new heavy-duty lithium battery. Up to 20 holes 22 mm in diameter in 20 mm thick plate with a single 10.0 Ah battery pack. Dual bars guide system ensures extraordinary stiffness and adjustment-free operation. Compact design makes it easy to work in tight spaces. Secured cable movement. Ergonomic handle for easy transportation. Overload protection. Two-stage battery over discharge protection system extends battery life and secures drill and operator. Tilt sensor stops the motor if machine breaks away. Robust illuminated start/stop switches. LED monitoring system indicates current condition of the drill and gives safety information. Innovative smart magnet with reduced weight.